Hello, how are you all? Must be feeling wow after Wow Wednesday assembly today, right? We learned how to be contributing in making our Mother Nature happy, right? And now, my dear children, tomorrow it is Thrilling Thursday. And as you all know, first we are going to wish everybody good morning. Then we are going to say thank you to God. And after thanking, we'll also do some exercise and enjoy some simple commands. And then, as you all know, we'll be introducing you to the concepts that we will be doing in our EduMax class after the assembly at 11 o'clock. And my dear parents, only the children, those who have registered, can join us for these live interactive classes. And if you wish your child to gain from these, then please click on the link or call us up on the numbers and get their names registered for these. And tomorrow my foundation children are going to get introduced to the number 7 and the letter H. And Shemprep junior children are going to learn about some more good manners. And Shemprep senior children are going to have birthday bash. They are going to just know how to plan their birthday parties. And yes, in the evenings we have EduMax Plus for you. Under this program, we have many activities which are going to enhance all your skills. You are going to become more confident by practicing all the life skills that we are sharing with you. You are going to be more creative by joining the Be Creative activity. We will be becoming more flexible by dancing on various dance song numbers, and we are also going to become confident while speaking by joining the talk show activity. Right? So if you want your children to be learning all this, then parents do register for the classes which we have in the evenings at 4 o'clock. That is the program under the program EduMax Plus. Right? And we also have a very nice group for the parents to get all this information free of cost, and that is the Telegram group. And how do you have to join that? Regarding that also, we have all the information shared in the chat box. That's all for now. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.
Ayush, how many sticks? Okay, yes. Okay, Ayush, how many sticks are these? Say with your mouth.
9.
Good. Tell me the spelling of 9.
N-I-N-E.
Wonderful. I says ice cream, and the short sound of the letter I is I. I. And what starts with I? Ink, igloo, India.
ये देखो क्या है पॉन्ड के अंदर. What is this? What is this?
आपको फिशी
ये आती है ना? ये नहीं तो राइम आती है. ये किसको आती है? ज्ञान.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ की दर्जी है, हाथ की मर्जी है.
Oh, lovely, lovely, excellent.
Any old magazine, any old newspaper, any old colored paper, you can tear it into small pieces. I have pasted the black on her hair. I have also made her dress so pretty. In the same way, even you can do it. You put the black on the hair, and the hair is on the head. You know, by this I remember there is a very nice story about, yes, very nice, Anya, Akshansh, lovely. In the same way, you can also do the face and the hair. Very good, Devanshi. Very
actually enjoying, having lots of fun, and these are interactive sessions which she's liking. Totally fun filled, so she's liking it. So I'm also happy that she's growing in the right direction.
She's very engaged in the dancing activity and the creativity.
During this hour, it is very useful to us also. We used to spend most of the time by doing activities like that. She's enjoying a lot.
Did your children enjoy that? My name is Amol Arora. I'm the Managing Director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We've got many more such activities in our EduMax learning program. We've created an amazing learning program because we realize children are at home, they cannot come to school, and schools have the expertise to educate children. To overcome this, we've come up with an amazing program which requires minimum eye strain, which has virtually no eye strain. Children just look for communication, they do the activities. It's a full day program. There's so much for children to do, and what the best thing I can tell you is get a free trial version. Just call the number below and get a free trial version and see for yourself how amazing it is. I'm sure you'll love it, but for the first step, take a free trial, and we are confident that your child would love EduMax as much as we have loved designing it. Good luck.